Will helium mining be profitable in 2023? Profitable, by definition, refers to a venture or activity that generates revenue or makes money. People have asked if mining HNT will still be financially viable in 2023. Not exactly. Although the Helium Network might witness a surge based on predictions, helium mining might not be as profitable as it was 2 years ago. There were over 14,000 helium hotspots in January 2021. Now, there are over 900,000 helium hotspots in the Helium Network as of August 2022, and they all share the same rewards. Even though the network is continuously expanding with new miners, rewards eventually start to decline. So, the HNT token was mined at a reward rate of 5 million HNT per month from the beginning. The reward rate was decreased in half in August 2021, down to 2.5 million HNT per month, and it will again be halved in August 2023. So, early adopters of the Helium Network did quite well and were well compensated for their hotspots and their contribution to the network. So, running a hotspot is perhaps not as lucrative as it once was, but it is nonetheless profitable. As of August, the network's daily average reward rate was 0.11 HNT. This generates earnings of $1.10 daily or around $400 per year at a market price of 10 USD/HNT.